Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand about designing. So in order to understand this you need to go to design, and here already we have 4 slides you can see, and these are the themes, predefined themes which you can use. So I'm clicking over here and these are the theme options which are available. So let's say I'm going for this particular theme or this one. So this theme has been applied here, and in all the slides the theme is generally something which is being provided to the complete slideshow or all the slides. So this is the theme we have got here. Within that particular theme there are many other color options, so in order to discover those you need to click on this color option, and you can simply set your cursor over there in order to see the changes. So you can see, so whichever color option you feel like it's worth, so you can do the selection, and it's looking very much pretty. Apart from this there are various kind of font options also, and you will be able to see the change in the font style. You can do it, and the thing is, look how these things works. You can say that we can go ahead and can change the font from the home tab from here, and font style we can give or whatever we want to that. Why to do it from this design or theme option? Look, this is the title option in the first slide. Similarly, if you have taken many slides and this is the main title option, and then this was the subtitle option. So if you have got 20 slides and you want to change, and you have got 20 titles also similarly, so if you want to change 20 titles format in terms of font, then simply you need not to go manually to each slide and do that. You simply go to font and you can do the changes. The changes will apply in all slides. So this is the main purpose. Apart from this, these are the background style. If you want to give any background style you can give that, or you may go to format background. There are various color options, gradient style, picture, or you can give your own picture also if you want to. So let's say I'm going here. So you can see the image has been applied to all the slides as a background. However, if you want to change it, you can in a single click. Okay, apart from this there is this hide background graphic option. So if I'm going to click here, you can see the graphic has been removed and only the image that we have selected as a background is being showed here. Slide orientation here. Slide orientation is always going to be in PowerPoint is always going to be landscape mode. If you want it to be in a portrait mode, you can do that and you can see the changes. Also, let's say you had changed the color option from here. Also, you have changed the font option from here. You have given the background style that you are looking for. And if you want to change the particular theme, once you have done some changes into that, you can click on save current theme. The moment you will click on save current theme, it's going to save in templates and document themes most of the time, and let's say I'm giving it a name him. So it has been saved, and if you want to apply the same theme to any other file, PowerPoint presentation file, you may go to custom, and in the custom, when I have set my cursor on theme, you can see him1 is coming, and if I'm going to do the selection of it, that particular theme will be applied in your presentation file in all the slides basically. So this is all about design. In the next video we are going to understand about the transition or the animation part. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.